right, y'all, we are back at it at Walmart once again, as y'all see. I mean, Sam, why do I keep saying Walmart? I can't even keep Walmart out my mouth. They in here trying to rearrange everything. We're gonna show y'all everything we got. But we stocked up for what? What we say? Through January? What is this month? November? We are stocked up through
February.
January, February.
And don't tell me you can't take a small space and stack it in there. That's right.
And they got stuff behind it. Don't let him fool you.
Hey, nah, I ain't never behind that stuff for.
Let me get my crook butt back
tissue.
here.
Only thing with that tissue.
And dish detergent.
And dish detergent.
And Riri.
Always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want, everything you want.
Hey crew, we back in Sam's to get pans and stuff like that for the holidays. The paper towel, you know, we get toilet paper, pans, wipes, and washing powder, stuff like that. Yeah, look at all these people. Sam's packed. And the crazy thing about it, y'all, Sam said they only got 3 buggies that people can actually ride on. And I told Bay, I said, that's a shame. Bigger Sam deal, they should have at least 10 and 20.
And so,
More than this stuff they got. How many in there?
211 loads.
Go down.
210.
The members mark.
197.
Which one do you want?
Yep. 210. 211, 210, 235, 197.
Yeah, okay, now we gotta get laundry detergent. Can you take me some of them dry sheets right there? No.
You need laundry, liquid, dishwasher
Yes,
soap?
we need this soap.
Want this one?
Yes, sir. Okay, 180 loads. I don't know, but what you get more of? 180 loads. Oh, what's that other one down there? What other one? Yeah, just get that one. That's good. Please and thank you. I knew she was gonna do that. My nose is starting to I know. We need some more bleach. That one's open? But, you know, they just saying that. It really don't. You gonna get it? Oh, yeah. I said we need some bleach. Now I'm trying. Wait here. Make it easy for you. Whomever. And the pants gotta go right here. toilet paper. Like the pants. I gotta see if they got air freshener over there. And they not out there. This will be a quick trip though.
Y'all, babe said quick trip. That mean, you know what that mean. But then again, since she got to walk, it might be a quick trip. But if she was on that buggy, that little dry little thing, child will be here 3 hours.
You funny.
Or maybe the minimum of 8 with a lunch break.
Oh, you funny though.
How you doing?
You funny. Okay, what you want to get? They got, you get 2 things of pine oil for $9.78, and you get 210 ounce for $7.80.
Pine oil? You mean pine sol?
sauce.
That's
And
probably
it's
the best.
200.
That's the better deal because you're getting 2 for the price of.
But you get 210 fluid ounces. You get 200 ounces per 2-pack. But this is more concentrated than that. Because you can just use a little bit of pine oil.
That's what I'm saying. It's a better deal. Baby, you don't have to. Look at you.
Like,
Look at y'all. Look at her. Knocking
can't
stuff
even
over.
I just got. How long you let me? Because I dropped the. Yeah, baby, you take these out.
Me and Rihanna in here. She trying to lift it up.
Well, that's good right there. Look, we don't need no wipes.
Run me over.
Oh, Lysol.
Yeah, you need that because you need to.
I was about to say your mama.
Smart,
I know.
smart.
So smart. I gotta get aluminum foil, toilet paper. Man, you look like you special. I'm looking real special right now.
If Jordan won't run to the back,
You
then
remember
they'll
when
get
they used to have 3 of these in a pack? I mean, 4 of these in a pack. Now they just
Where we
one.
going? I gotta go push.
Okay, Jordan needs this.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, what smells do they have?
They got apple and wood. They got the regular linen. You can scratch your sniff. Smell it.
I love it.
Oh, they got plenty of disinfectant spray. Hey, I'm gonna get that. You get 6 of them. Get that.
$9.99.
I can't reach it.
I get it, baby. I get it. Rihanna say I will get it.
Well, here, put that back and let Jordan get that. Yeah.
I got the tape on.
Put that right there.
The pans gotta go there.
Ain't that gonna fall? All right, y'all. Mr. is redoing this bathroom. But that's a good deal on this disinfectant, y'all. See if y'all, because y'all know Comet is real good. And then you get, for $9.91, you get 6 cans. And it's 19-ounce cans. That's a really good deal because it's not like you're going to just be spraying. And that's better than getting 3. For $9.91, you can't beat that deal. So we went on and got some Febreze for $7.88. And I went on and got the apple and wood because it is the holiday time. That's a good deal. Now they only had the smaller pans on this side. They didn't have the large ones, so we got to go over there. And if the Walmart brands are cheaper, I'm going to put them back and get the Walmart.
You meant Sam's brand?
Or Sam brand. I'm going to get the Sam brand if they cheaper.
Wow.
I'm always on for a deal.
Continue. Yeah, we got one of those.
Do I got to get yourself from over here?
Foil paper,
Oh, that's not
We got one of those.
toilet paper, and white.
A boat.
Yep.
You want Christmas cup? Yeah, because you only get 180. And you get 240 of these. Same price for 180. I'm good. I'll keep the red one.
You want to get them?
Don't get that one.
Don't get that.
I normally do the...
Don't get them. I'll drop these on your feet, sisters. Oh. You need some room in
Right here.
This one is 12
Look. 2,000. 2,000, babe. 2,000 disposable goods.
You want these? Because these are cheaper.
Cause these are longer. See, and these are standard.
Well, if you got big hands, then get the longer.
I mean, it depends what you wrapping.
And those ones 1,000 and those 500.
Yeah.
You can get the shorter one.
Okay.
I don't think it really makes that much of a difference, do it?
Okay. You gotta get hands. I think this is getting
It is.
The pants are
You
here.
want these gloves here? These are the only ones I have.
How much were they?
It's on that thing. I think it was like $7, $8, something
Okay.
like that. That's not bad.
Okay, I'll help you push.
You can push. I just walk push.
No, you don't need to.
It hurt more when I'm leaning over it. Now they got sports though. They don't
They
have
got the mix right
spoons.
there.
What's that? White plastic spoon, 600. Is that six? Did I say 600?
This is 360 pieces, and you get 124 spoons and knives for 13.
But we don't use the 9. Okay,
They won't do.
he got some. Give me a box of the spoons and a thing with a fork. Do you see the fork? I just seen the thing of fork. I think that's that fork. Yeah, the fork. And the thing of fork. I need some plate. If you give me the no, we need some plate. Get the Riri, get the
I was trying to figure out the
250
room.
pounds. Yeah, that's it. They have for the same price. No, the hefty more. How many you get? 30 of them red pants? How many red pants you get? 30? 30 of the Member Smart. Oh, them smaller.
Yeah, them small ones. All those are party sets.
Who said they didn't have it yet?
I forgot.
Who said we had to go to Walmart?
Okay, cool.
You might gotta get an apple juice.
Oh, yeah, I gotta get some apple juice. That's up there. I think it's straight down this aisle. I gotta get some apple juice, but they ain't have it before. I forgot it was the name. And I gotta get some chicken fried. Well, no, but she said she was hungry. And we going to Groceries and stuff. So we'll stop and get that alone.
It's 1300 for a pound.
Look at that woman. I think it's $9 on Walmart.
It's
Time to
more
call, please.
or you get less.
Yeah.
Do you get more here or you get less?
This is not
Sure, Walmart doesn't have it.
Y'all, we are back at it at Walmart once again, as y'all
Sam.
see. I mean, Sam, why do I keep saying Walmart? I can't even keep Walmart out my mouth. That's how sad it is. I don't love Walmart that much either. Yeah, I don't even love Walmart.
And the
Oh, how you doing? All right, all right.
Beach me.
All we got left is the bleach.
Can you have ice cream?
They in here trying to rearrange everything. We didn't have to get an ounce of food this trip. Thank you, Lord.
I got it online, Joe.
But this all we're gonna show y'all everything. We got $275 worth of stuff to be exact, and not one of these are a food item. But we stocked up for what? What we say through January? What is this month? November? We are stocked up through January, February. The only thing that I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to get more is wipes and tissue. Yeah, and pans. Other than that, yeah, because I already have paper towel. But I'm gonna show y'all a haul as soon as I get home. But all this stuff was $271.71 to be exact. And now the inch of food that we have in here. What was we thinking?
And don't tell me you can't take a small space and stack it in there. That's right.
And they got stuff behind it. Don't let him fool you.
Hey, nah, I ain't never behind that stuff for.
Let me see.
No, look.
Get my crib butt
The
back
tissue.
here.
Only thing with that tissue.
And dish detergent.
And
And that's detergent.
And Riri.
Yeah, but the rest of it in there.
Okay, well, let me take that picture real quick.
Nobody knows what we got.